Hi everyone, and welcome to my stockpile, and we're doing an updated stockpile tour. I know so many of you have asked for this lately. There's multiple parts. There's this little part right here. There's this part, and over, let me get you over to it. There is this part, all filled with stockpile items. So, we're gonna start over with this section first. So, here is hand soap. I had a lot more hand soap, but it's dwindled down for sure. Go through that pretty quick. And then here is a bunch of like face stuff and lotion, tons of lotion. I didn't even realize I had this much lotion, but I do have lotion and skincare stuff, not a whole lot of that. All these ponds from the Shopkick deal. These are back from the beginning of the year. No one ever used them. Down here is all body wash. Yeah, body wash. And then in here's some wipes, and then a huge tub filled to the brim with Kleenex wipes, baby wipes, all that. Tons of that kind of stuff. And then there's all my mouthwash there. Down there is just some random food items and school items and some random shirts that we got for like 90 cents at a liquidation sale. And then over here is the wall of hair products. So these are all guys' hair products. So this is like dandruff shampoo, regular shampoo, or this is all 2-in-1, more 2-in-1 and regular shampoos. And then here is some kids' hair product. It's just a box full of volumizing shampoo and a box full of volumizing conditioner. And down here is just a box of shampoo and a box of conditioner. I used to do it with sets, but whatever. I just went for it. And then these are some mousse. And down here are liners and tampons. All right, and then here are all sorts of baggies that, remember, I got on that really good Kroger sale for 50 cents, and some cling wrap, and a thing of paper plates. And then here's medicines. I used to keep the medicines like in these bins and stuff, but it really just did better to keep them on the shelf. So all these vitamins right there, foot products, Band-Aids, eye drops, pain relievers, all this thermacare and creams, cold medications, all these kids Zyrtec, cough drops, random stuff, and then Docalax, Zantac, which I know people are saying is so horrible right now. I'm just going to keep it and see what happens if they maybe come back and say it's not really an issue, but if it's an issue, I'll just have to throw it away. I'm in culture all there. Miscellaneous hair products, stuff like that, hair masks, the little nail files. This one's empty. This is shaving cream. Lots of shaving cream. This is guys' razors. It's filled to the brim with razors. Lots of razors. And there's women's razors and toothpaste. Yeah. What's in here? Okay. Guys' deodorants. Women's deodorants, and in here is floss and toothbrushes. All right, and then come around to this little area. Here's some open paper towels, and in here is just some grocery products, cereals, taco shells, some bars, random stuff like that. Keeping this oatmeal pasta, yeah. Not going to go too in depth there. And then they're just going to look at the drawers. So these are kind of a mess. These are just like school items that I just threw in here. Not good. Definitely not a good place to keep that kind of stuff. Okay, this is all trial sizes and tissues. It won't even open. There's so much in here. Like, this is all trial travel, and then the little Kleenex, which I need to just go put somewhere else because clearly this isn't good. I probably will move the Kleenex in with the other tissues that you'll see in a minute. That's crazy. Batteries and light bulbs. Okay, this is all Polydent, Polygrip, that kind of stuff. More light bulbs. Don't even know where half of this came from. These are cosmetics. I don't really have too many cosmetics, just clear nail polish, and then Neutrogena bars, bar soap, sunscreen, lip products. I think of Q-tips, which actually shouldn't be here. I don't know where the Q-tips go. They're somewhere here. In this drawer It's baby powder, baby bars, and more Neutrogena, which should have been in here. This gets messy. All right, now we're gonna go look at this area. If I can get to it. Right here. So, baking soda, and then all this is dishwashing soap. Lots of dish soap. And then here is a bunch of pads, which is embarrassing. These are free all the time. Pads. Pads. Oh, these are some liners too, I guess. Didn't realize that. There's some liners in here. And pads. Alright, so I know it looks like a hot mess, but this stockpile is not just for myself. It's actually for 5 people full-time who live here, and then it goes for my cousins, my other grandma. You know, I give to lots of people. So, oh, actually, it really goes for 6 people full-time because we give to our great uncle all the time too. So, yeah, this goes to support a lot of people, so that's why I have a ton of stuff. But I donate a lot too and stuff like that. So it's not just sitting here going to waste, but that's why I have so much stuff. All right, so now I'm in my laundry. Well, it's not mine, but I'm in the laundry room area, which is the cleaning, laundry, and paper products section. So the stockpile. So here's all my paper towels. I want to get this good with toilet paper. As you know, my family usually just gets it at Sam's Club because it's the cheapest price we've been able to find. But I'd really like to be able to start using overage to cover toilet paper so we can stop buying it at Sam's Club. So I'm going to really try to start working on it. Here's all my paper towel stock. I have a ton. Viva, Scott, Bounty, Flora. Lots of great stuff. And here I keep lots of car clips. And then down here, Febreze spray and the fabric refresher, and then Mr. Clean. And then in here I keep all these dumb the oil refills and the things you put them in. I have all those in here. This isn't the best situation. I'll put that up in a minute. So here's all the laundry detergent products here and here. And these are pods, and they go all the way, I can't get you go all the way back there. They're both full. These bins are from Dollar Tree. They're good for organizing stuff like that. Down here is liquid fabric softener, the scent booster things, and dryer sheets, and they go all the way back. Down here I keep the Downy Wrinkle Release and the Febreze, just some random cleaning products. And then here are more cleaners, like, oh, there's a thing of Lysol falling down. All these wipes, toilet cleaner. Here is this whole bin is filled with dish products, like Finish, Let Me Shine, all that dish. And this is a liquid dish. And then the disposal cleaners, the Carbona Stain Devils, and some Swiffer dusters. And then this is all my just cleaning products. I mean, I have quite a few, but like the Windex, I don't have many of those. We don't go through it too fast. I'm like the Shout and stuff. I could definitely have more, but this is what I got. And then here is all my tissue products. So that is it for the updated stockpile tour. You'll have to let me know what you all think of it. Like I said, this goes for multiple people, so I'm just sitting in our house rotting. So I try to rotate through it pretty quickly. So let me know what you guys think, and thank you so much for watching.